Hey, hope you guys like this video. This is the third video I've made from this trip, trying to get all my footage out for you guys to watch. So here I'm running the sluice and I try a new spot that's really close to my other spot, one I've been eyeballing for a while. And yeah, let's see how it works. Stay tuned to the end to see what I got.
All right, let's see how we do here. I'm just curious. I don't even know if there's anything here or not, but I've tried before a little bit. I haven't had a lot of really good luck. There's a lot of black sand here. Whoa, hello. The wind's blowing my camera around. Come on, wind. There's a lot of black sands right here. We'll see if there's any gold in any of it. Probably have to go down a little bit deeper to find out or not. There's a SUV driving behind me very, very slowly. Trying to figure out what I'm doing. Well, that mat did not get put down very good. Oh, boo. I don't really think there's probably very much gold here. So we'll run a little bit and then do a cleanup and see what it looks like. Because if there's no gold here, there's no point in me messing with it. But if there is, it's awfully convenient where it's located. I'd just be surprised if there's much gold here. Definitely lots of black sands though. All right, let's just run that little tiny test there and see what we're looking at here. Really am not expecting much. There is a lot of black sands though, especially for what little bit I ran. I really need it. I'm gonna have to get a bucket. I just don't trust myself enough cleaning up into a pan. There we go. Probably need to take like a wire brush to these after I print them because they got some strings on them from the printer head. And it's causing some of this softer organic material to get stuck in it. Good grief. All right, I need a bucket to sit on for a minute for this part. All right, so let me get all this. I'll scoop to one side. No, man, I just poured a whole bunch out the end. I hoped it was already stratified enough. And I didn't run a whole lot, so I'm looking maybe, there's 10 colors here. It might be worth it. Of course, who knows how many I dumped a minute ago. And there may not be any colors here. I've tried just upstream a little bit from this spot and not done any good at all. But this has this trees under which I'm enjoying the shade currently. So maybe, maybe this will be a little bit different. Well, actually way better than I thought. See if I can get it in there. So there were 10 pieces and a few of them were actually quite a bit chunkier. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah. Kind of hard to see some of them on the phone, but yeah, those are some nice pieces. I might actually hit this spot up a bit because it's really easy not having to classify anything. So let me keep trying that and seeing what happens. All right, let's try this spot out a little bit more. I think I'll actually get my bigger shovel. I can just sit here in the shade and enjoy the weather. I say get my bigger shovel. There's some rocks here in the way. That's kind of a good sign. Get this dude cleaned up. Yeah, nice. I guess I'll use my little shovel. I was really surprised to find such good gold here, and chunky gold too, because this spot has not necessarily been a great spot for me. But I mean, I hadn't tried this spot. I only tried upstream a little bit from here. Here, it's got all the trees and stuff messing with the flow and the current and stuff. So maybe that's a little bit of what's making this better. Water here to classify this, at least get some of the bigger stones out. Oh man, there's a big one. This is a really interesting spot. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut into the river there and let some water backflow into here. Shoveling sand here. Toss it up in my keeper pile, my cool rocks pile. I'm wondering here if, like, the sand being wet, if the gold falls down through it easier. So that lighter sand, I notice once I get into out of the gravels up in the area that isn't normally got water on it, the gold kind of dries up, but wondering if it'll keep some gold going. Yeah, this stuff's easy to run. I really hope I'm still in the gold area here. We've got a pretty comfy spot here. Water monitor, if you've ever seen, like, up in Alaska there, back in the olden days, they would like clear entire hillsides, but I'm not out to destroy the environment. I know I'm running this stuff through fast, but this has got a lot of really light sands in it, and they'll just run right through there. These mats seem to be really, really good. There's some coarser sand down there, but I don't know, in this spot, coarser sand isn't always good. Some spots it is. Just really depends on the current flow and the source of the gold and the current flow between the source of the gold and you, and a whole bunch of stuff. I do have a big tailings pile here, but don't worry, I am going to clean it up for sure. And actually, there's a lot of trash down here I'm going to pick up before I leave too, because I don't want it to get caught up in the floodgates, because then it'll just get distributed downstream, and that's not very good. Someone brought a Barbie car down here and just tore it into a million pieces and then just left it for some reason. I don't know who does that. Shame on you if you're watching this video. You really don't deserve to come down here anymore. Stuff like that. Corps engineers will shut this area down, or whoever runs this shut it down, and that's why, you know, the I love seeing the guys on the four-wheelers and stuff down here. They have every right to be down here. But, you know, people are going to complain about us gold prospectors. We do nothing compared to what the recreational vehicle people do as far as damage on the ground, on the environment and stuff. Those guys are really rough on this. And just trash it out and leave it. Not all of them. There's a lot of them that come through here, so you get a few bad eggs, they'll give everyone a bad name. That's why we as prospectors have to work extra hard to make sure that, you know, we have a net positive impact on our environment. Because if we start being a problem, I guarantee you we'll get shut down a lot faster than the people doing recreational vehicle stuff. Man, this is really easy. Good grief. Now I got me a big pit of water here that I'm just rinsing rocks and stuff in and getting the big rocks out of the way and just scooping the good stuff out of it. Man, this is like what you see on the other big time YouTube videos where they get a big old hole that they dug. That's pretty cool. I just hope that there's still gold where I'm at. Maybe I didn't get just lucky on one little spot. Oh, big old rock fell and it scared me. There's a huge rock there. There's a really interesting spot here, actually. It looks quite a bit like that really good spot I found on up the bank a little bit. Only not quite as many stones and cobbles to go with. It's a lot easier to dig. I just am in a bit of a hurry to clean this spot out because once the floodgates open, I don't have any idea what's going to happen to this area. Like, is it just going to get cleaned out, or is it going to get reloaded, or what in the world's going to happen? I just know right now there's gold here and I want to get it out before it's too late. And I don't know at what point it becomes too late. It may never become too late. I really don't know. Can't wait to show this method to modern prospector. Man, we could move the dirt for sure like this, and it turns just moderate or mediocre ground into pretty good ground whenever you're moving this fast. All right, I think I'm gonna let that run for a minute and then clean this sluice box out again. Just don't want to overload it. Lots of people down here, but beautiful day. We've had a lot of bad weather. Well, not real bad yet, but we got some bad weather coming the next several days. As do probably most of the people in the US watching this. I think about 100 million people are under the gun for some pretty severe weather. So, trying to get a bunch of video recording done today. So I'll have lots of videos to edit and upload while all this is going on.
Hey, so I wanted to show you guys the results from this trip, and this was from a couple buckets of dirt. And as you can see, this is extremely fine gold. This is pretty par for the course for most of Oklahoma gold. So let me zoom in and you guys can see. Now this isn't all of the gold. Some of it was spread out on the pan a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a close-up here of what I got from this trip, because I know it's fun to see the results after you watch the video. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. It helps out a lot. Thanks, guys.